So 3-139, we're working with generic rectangles again. We need to label the dimensions and the area for each generic rectangle shown below, then write a mathematical sentence showing the multiplication of factors and the product. And as we do this, we're going to also write the sum or the addition expression as well, just because we're going to need to do that to find the area anyways. Okay, so for A, it looks like we have the length and the width already. We just need to, we have the 40 and the 100, so to find the area of this rectangle, we're going to distribute the 40 with the 40 times 100, 40 times 30, and 40 times 5. So here we'll have 40 times 100, 4 times 1 is 4, and there's 1, 2, 3 zeros, so it's going to be 4,000. Here we have 40 times 30 now, okay, 40 times 30, so 4 times 3 is 12, and we have 2 zeros, 1200. Here we have 40 times 5. 40 times 5. 4 times 5 is 20, and 200. Okay. Down here, we're going to distribute the 7 down here. 7 times 100. Okay, that's going to be 700. 7 times 30. That's going to be 210, and 7 times 5, that's going to be 35. Okay, so let's go ahead and write the numbers we're multiplying, the factors. So 135 times 47. Oops. 47, sorry about that. 47, okay? As you can see here, we split up the numbers into the different place values. So we're going to have 100 plus 30 plus 5 times 40 plus 7. Okay, and this is the product. Okay. Next, we're going to have equal to the sum, or the different parts of the different smaller rectangles. So we have 4,000 plus 1,200 plus 700 plus 210 plus 200 plus 35. Okay, we'll add that up. We get 5 here. 1 plus 3 is 4. 2 plus 7 is 9. Plus 2 is 11, plus 2 is 13, 3 carry the 1, 1 plus 4 is 5, plus 1 is 6. So here we have 6,345. Okay, so this right here is the sum, and again, this is the answer or the area. Okay, for part B, it's a little different because now we have some of the areas of the rectangles filled out, but we're missing some of the factors or the numbers that multiply into to get the area of the rectangles. Okay, so we need to figure out what's blank. We need to figure out what that is, what this is here, and what this is here. Okay. To do that, okay, we'll think about it. Let's see if we can find the area of this. Okay, we have one factor. We don't know the other factor, so we won't be able to find the area. Okay, and let's see. So here, if we have we're missing a factor, we have the area, but we need at least another factor. So we can't figure out this right now. But let's see. Here we have one factor and the area. So what that tells me is that, okay, I have one factor in the area, I need to find the other factor. So to do that, I just think, okay, 70 times what equals 210? In other words, we could say 210 divided by 70, and we should get 3. 210 divided by 70 is 3, or 70 times 3 is 210. Okay, so that gives us another value. So, okay, let's see what we can do. Let's look and see if we can find this factor now. Okay, so now we have this factor, we have the product here, but not a factor. But hey, let's see, we have a factor here now, we have a product or the area, and we have a missing factor. So now we think, okay, 3 times what equals 15? or 15 divided by 3 is what? And we should say 15 divided by 3 is 5, or 5 times 3 is 15. Okay, we're missing 2 more now. Again, we still can't find the area because we're missing this factor, but we have the 5 here now. 5, and we have the area is 200. So 5 times what equals 200? 5 times what equals 200? Or 200 divided by 5 is what? Okay, so we know 200 divided by 5 is going to be 40. Okay, 40 times 5 is 200. Finally, we could figure out this last area, which is 40 times 70, which is 2800. Okay, so let's go ahead and write the product. Okay, so we're going to have 75 times 43, and we broke it down as 70 plus 5 times 40 plus 3. Okay, and that's again the product. The sum will go ahead and write vertically, so we'll have 2800, just writing down all the different areas, plus 210 plus 200 plus 15. This is all zeros. 5, 1 plus 1 is 2, 2 plus 2 is 4, plus 8 is 12, 2, 1, 2 plus 1 is 3. So down here the area is 3,225. So hopefully that's a good reminder on how to do generic rectangles.